Welcome students. In this video we will discuss about the chemical equation. What is chemical equation? Chemical equation is the symbolic representation of an actual chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? When two reactants meet, है ना, then they produce some other chemical reaction, chemical products. Then we show in that a sequence, है ना, that is called chemical equation. Here is the what is here is example given, one example given. Here is the reactants. What are reactants? Reactants are the magnesium and sulfuric acid. When they are reacting, what are producing? Magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. Okay, it is the product. In the chemical reaction you are looking, there are the two part. First part is the reactant. Which are reacting? That are called reactant, and which are producing? That are called products. The magnesium and sulfuric acid are reacting to each other and producing magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. Both are the product. In this chemical equation, in the right side and the left side, there are two sides. By the arrow you can decide which is left side and which is right side. The left side, we write the reactants. Here there are two reactants, magnesium and sulfuric acid. You are looking, okay, and when they are mixing up, then what they are producing? Magnesium sulfate and hydrogen. In both reactant and product, we can say it is a chemical equation. Okay, so there are three essential things for the chemical equation. One, it should be true, means reaction not it should be represent a true chemical change, means कोई भी जब रिएक्टेंट्स आपस में मिलते हैं तो केमिकल ये चेंजिंग होती है, मैंने रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट फिजिकल और केमिकल बिहेवियर में होते हैं, तो ये होना ही चाहिए, तभी ये ट्रू कहा जाएगा, देन वो एक केमिकल इक्वेशन माना जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, केमिकल इक्वेशन बैलेंस होना चाहिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. क्या होना चाहिए? बैलेंस. जैसे ये क्या है? मैग्नीशियम और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, तो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स क्या होते हैं? रीअरेंज होते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होते हैं, ना ही न्यू बनते हैं, न्यू वंस आते हैं. क्या होते हैं? केवल रीअरेंज होते हैं. रीअरेंज होके क्या होते हैं? नए जो है केमिकल्स में बदल जाते हैं, जिनकी फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? रिएक्टेंट से डिफरेंट होती है. तो यही है. तो ये क्या होना चाहिए? बैलेंस. मीन्स मैग्नीशियम का यहाँ कितना एटम है? 1. यहाँ भी कितना है? 1. हाइड्रोजन के कितने एटम है? यहाँ पे 2. हाइड्रोजन के कितने एटम है प्रोडक्ट्स में? 2. और सल्फर का, सल्फर यानी यहाँ पे आप सल्फेट कह लें, सल्फेट कितने हैं? सल्फेट का रेडिकल कितना है? 1. और यहाँ भी रेडिकल कितना है? 1. तो ये क्या है? एटॉमिकली या रेडिकली क्या है? ये बैलेंस है. जितने एटम्स या रेडिकल रिएक्टेंट्स में है उतने ही प्रोडक्ट में है, तो ये हो गया बैलेंस. मालिक्यूलर, जितने भी रिएक्टेंट हो या प्रोडक्ट है मालिक्यूलर स्टेज में होने चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम रिएक्टिंग विथ वाटर, व्हाट प्रोड्यूसिंग सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. तो here is the sodium is in the molecular stage, and water, the two molecule of the water, when they are mixing up, they are reacting, what they are producing? Two molecule of the sodium hydroxide and one molecule of the hydrogen. It is the chemical reaction, means each and every should be in molecule. There are three essential things for the chemical equation. So here is the very important thing, how we will balance to chemical equation, means in the both side of the reactants and product, number of atoms should be same. Number of atoms should be same. That is called balanced chemical equation. So we will discuss about this here. Here in the next page we will discuss बैलेंसिंग ऑफ द केमिकल इक्वेशन वैसे बैलेंस करते हैं। इसके कई रूल हैं, देखिए 1 to 5 रूल्स दिए हैं, कुछ जनरल रूल्स। आप जब प्रैक्टिस करेंगे देन ये आपको ऑटोमेटिक ये बैलेंस करने आ जाएगा। हियर यू लुकिंग बैलेंस ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ पोटेशियम क्लोरेट, potassium chlorates. Here look that potassium chlorate, what reacting to not reacting to any other, only heating. Then what happening, it is changing in the potassium chloride and oxygen. It is in the balance way. It is in the balance way, not in the balance way. You look that how many oxygen in the, it is the reactant and it is the product, है ना? And the left side is called reactant and right side is called product. Here how many oxygens atom? 3, but here looking only 2. So what we will do? So here we will be write 2. Here we will be write 2. Then how many molecules of the oxygen becoming? 2 into 3, 6. But here only 2. So here we will write 3. Then this time oxygen is balanced in the reactants and product. Here is also 6 atoms in the reactants and the 6 atom in the oxygen of in the product also. Understood? Then you are looking that here is the chloride, here in the reactant potassium atom is 2 and chlorine atom is also 2, because here are 2 molecule of the potassium chloride na. The potassium is 2 have the 2 atoms and chlorine have also 2 atoms. That here is only 1. So here we will write then that this equation will be balanced. Okay, it is the balance. Next some examples I am also giving here. Balancing of that balance of following. Here balance the following reaction. Here you are looking that some here also given, yes, potassium chloride. After that here aluminum reacting with the sulfuric acid. Aluminum reacting with the sulfuric acid. Yes, aluminum is Al, H2SO4 means sulfuric. It is the reactant, and what producing? They producing aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate, SO4 thrice. It is the formula of aluminum sulfate and hydrogen. Okay, it is the reactant. Aluminum and sulfuric acid is the reactants, and aluminum sulfate and hydrogen are the product. Okay, so here we are looking in that what we will do. In the left side you see that it is the left side and it is right side. Left side is the reactant and right side is the product. The left side you are looking what happened. Sulfate is here in the product. Sulfate, how many sulfate? How many sulfate? 3. You looking at 3. So here will be also 3. Sulfate is a radical na. So here we will write 3. Okay, 3. Okay, understood? We will write 3. So here will sulfate also will be 3 sulfate, na? You can write equal 3. Then it is balanced. Sulfate radical is balancing this. Now means we writing if here 3, the sulfate radical this time balanced, means 3 here in the reactants and 3 here in the product. Okay, next we are looking if we are writing here the 3, then what happening? Hydrogen, you are looking hydrogen. Then there is a 6 hydrogen. 3 into 6. 3 into 2 means 6. 3 into 2 means 6. What happens? 6. What hydrogen we will balance here. Here how many? 6. 3 H 2 means how many atoms have the hydrogen? 6 atoms. How many atoms? 6 atom. हाइड्रोजन के कितने एटम हैं यहाँ पे? 6 हैं, बट यहाँ पे कितने हैं? ओनली 2 हैं। तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? अगर यहाँ 3 राइट कर दें देन क्या हो जाएगा? 3 इंटू 2 कर दें तो फिर इधर भी क्या हो जाएगा? 6 एटम्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। ओके, तो देन ये कन्वर्ट हो गया। अब एल्युमिनियम के लिए क्या करेंगे? एल्युमिनियम यहाँ पे Al है और यहाँ पे Al2 है, देन यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? 2 राइट कर देंगे तो फिर ये बैलेंस हो गया। ओके, इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल वे टू बैलेंसिंग द केमिकल इक्वेशन। ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट many ways are given to balance the chemical equation. You can study, and here many worksheet given that you try to solve it, and when you will try, then you will see that you are understanding too much. Okay, and here many exercises also given, additional question for the practice you solve in the fair copy. Also all these you read this again this chapter and solve each and every question in the fair notebook. Thank you very much.